Hello again, 11:36, 30 seconds, February 12th. This is now the main drawing for the Batman 386 Black Mass 9.4. Over here are the 11 filled spots. Nam, you got the last spot for coming in second in the mini. Barney got the first 3 open spots, which were 1, 3, and 8 from the mini. So let's roll our 3 dice. Let's find this book a new home. Number is 12. Name at the top of the list gets the book. I'll try to get it out tomorrow. Unfortunately, I'm traveling on Thursday, so if I can't get it done tomorrow, it won't go out until Friday. Just a heads up. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and here's the final one, 12. Spot 3, Barney Stars from the mini win. Congratulations. Time is 11:37 and 30.